that my time, that my crew, that my clique, that my fam, that my sis, that my gang, that my grip. Yeah, yeah, that my job, yeah, that my job, yeah, travel wide, travel wide.
Morning. Making cake. Daddy went to go get his get his check. Yep. We're making cake. I think we're gonna make some cookies. Maybe. 350. Okay, so I'm trying to clean up while I'm trying. Okay. All right. Take a deep breath. It's been an anxious couple of days, guys. I don't know why. Anyway, I have about an hour and a half to get all of this done because he is going to pick up his check at his job and drop off some stuff. So he left about maybe a half an hour ago. You saw I got the cake done. The house has been decorated since yesterday because when he walked in last night, we all said, happy birthday weekend, yay. So yesterday I cooked it up. You saw I cooked fried chicken. I cooked macaroni and cheese, which was the bomb. There's leftovers for today, and hopefully if the day goes right, his father's gonna come over, maybe my best friend and Black Lion, her husband, and her family's gonna come over. It said it was gonna rain, but now it's saying it's not gonna rain. So I'm hoping, like, his birthday is not actually today, it's actually tomorrow. So but that's why I said it's a birthday weekend, and he has some stuff that I ordered him that has not come yet. And I went to the store. I got his E&J. We probably should have had a drink last night, but I wasn't feeling good. You came on without your hair done?
It's not that messy today.
Anyway, so last night we kind of just chilled and decorated the house and ate his favorite. He loves fried chicken. So today we'll see what the day brings. It's kind of just up in the air. We'll see what the day brings. Can you get down, Biggie? I'm tired of you. Get down. Get down. Get off. Go. All right, so let's make some cookies.
Ooh.
Ooh. Ooh.
Stop. Hate that.
Ooh.
Never.
You're a weirdo.
No, that's you.
No, that's your mama.
Excuse me. Thank you.
Huh, you don't want to use a new bowl?
Supposed
The bomb?
the best one.
Get out of my way. I got things to do. More than just
You see how she talks to me, guys?
more than just eat here. Yeah. You see, he ain't asking to help me. Fool.
Well, Mom.
Well, Mom. Well, Mom.
I know you got this. But I mean, I really will help you though.
Oh. Oh, guys, I totally forgot about that. Wait till you see what we got him. It can't rain. It cannot rain. In order for our plan, that's gonna be so funny. Wait till you see later. I hope everybody comes. Well, I'm gonna tell Jackie to come. She doesn't have to. I mean, we'll party by herself. We don't really care. I don't care who's here. You know, the Lopez house is always a party up in the Lopez house, regardless of who's here. There's always a party in our head. Right?
Yup.
Okay. We don't got no time to talk. What are you guys doing talking to me still? We gotta go. Let's go. Okay. We got sugar cookies. We got sugar cookies. They didn't have, oh well. Sugar
What?
cookies it is. The sugar cookies.
Come on now.
Did my nails?
Don't nobody like sugar cookies.
Maybe.
So you did your nails?
Yes, I did, honey.
How'd they come out?
Honey, they came out good, honey.
Okay.
Alright, I thought we had other stuff, but sadly mistaken. Hey, but I do have chocolate chips, so why can't we put chocolate chips inside the sugar cookies, right?
Because that was terrible.
That's what we're gonna do. Whoa, we're gonna put chocolate chips inside the sugar cookies. Why not? Why?
It's really sweet with random chocolate chip.
It'll be good. That's how we do it. We make concoctions. Alright. 1 teaspoon of water. And I'm doing it anyway, so I don't care what you say. We're just gonna do it. That's how we do it. We just do it. Okay. 1 tablespoon of water. Oh, I'm starting to feel better, thank God. I just don't know. I feel like that's not a tablespoon. I measure nothing, by the way, so do not do what I do. That's why my food comes out so good all the time. We need some softened butter, baby. Which means we have to soften it. That's not how you soften it, though. Oh, God. All right, guys. You know we're making cake, right? And you know we're making cookies. You know how to do that, right? So I don't want to waste my battery, so I'm gonna let you go, and I'm gonna be back in a little while, and you'll see the cake and everything. Okay? Okay, Layla?
Huh?
Okay.
What you say?
Just say okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so dummy me. Don't do that, guys. We added the chocolate chips, right? Well, I heated up the butter, and when I poured the butter in, yeah, it kind of melted the chocolate chips, which I kind of had a feeling, but I didn't think it was gonna make it chocolate sugar cookies. So sometimes accidents are the best mistakes. That's all I could say. So I'm cooking them anyway.
Very true.
Are these?
Yeah, they are.
No.
Yeah, they are. The first one did it too.
Firecrackers. I got it.
You fell